Hello and welcome back. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Today's video is going to be on the Mercator brass knife. Basically this is a K55, just done in brass, made by the Otter Messer company. And as you can see, this knife is tarnished. I put a false patina on the blade, and the handle, when it comes to you, it will be coated with a I think it's a varnish, and it keeps it from oxidizing. But unfortunately, if you keep it in your pocket with keys or coins, it marks it up. So I took mine off with a fine sandpaper and left just the brass. You can still see a little bit of the varnish around the pins. And then I put the false patina on the blade. Today I'm going to show you how, if you don't like this, how to get it back to the shiny. Now I prefer it this way. I was talking to a friend and he said the same thing. This looks like it could, if you've seen this in a movie about World War I and World War II, it would fit right in. I just like the fact that it looks like it's antique and it's been used. But anyway, let me show you how to get the shine back on this and how to keep it on it without having to do this over and over again. Using steel wool, some paper towel, and brass cleaner. So let's get started and show you what to do. Now I recommend you have the blade open, so you have to be careful when you do this. I'm doing audio and trying to concentrate. Alright. You can already see it changing. I'm always real careful when doing this because of that blade, and that blade is sharp. All you do is you just rub this on. Now I'm hearing a pounding noise outside my trailer, so I may have to interrupt this. Alright. A little bit of paper towel. Let's see if we can see the difference. Sorry about that, getting off camera. Alright, there's a shiny back. It can be a little bit better. You can polish it with a little Dremel tool to get it more. There's the undone. There's it back to the shiny. And again, this doesn't take long at all. That's why I like the brass cleaner. Now, as you can see, it's got the shiny back. Now the last step is the steel wool to kind of polish this out. So now you got all the tarnish off of it. And about once a week, if you'll buff it out with the steel wool, everything will be kept untarnished and polished. Maybe once a month you might have to clean it. I have a tendency also to do this with the blade to keep it a little bit clean. So that's it. That's how you take the tarnish off of them. Thanks for watching the video.